Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about a vector question. So here we need to find what's the angle between two vectors. In the previous video also we have discussed about that. I have also given the paper questions in the description, so you can always watch that too. So over here we are going to discuss the first three-part question from the first main section. Over here they have given two vectors and I'm going to write those two. Let's say the first one is a vector. They are given like 1, 2 and 8, and the next they have given it's going to be 2, 3, minus 1. So in this case they have given the two vectors and they are asking about the angle between these two vectors. So it's not a big deal, you can easily find that, but here you need to know the concept very well to figure it out. So over here, what's meant by these two vectors? Actually, these two are the direction vector, which simply means it's going to have a direction. It's going to show a direction. So in a plane, it's going to show a direction. So over here, the actual point is when we are finding the direction of the angle between the direction vector, we are going to use dot product with these two vectors. So actually, we are going to find A dot B. Actually, we knew that if we use the dot product, we are going to get mod of A mod of B into cos theta. This is the formula. So over here we need to find what's the value of the theta. However, over here you can easily find what's meant by this, the modulus, which means the magnitude of this A vector, and this is the magnitude of the B vector. So here what I'm going to do is, let's say I'm going to bring this over here, so we can represent it's going to be 1 over A into A. It's a coefficient of A, think like this, and we can directly tell as it's a dot product. I'm going to write dot B into B. So it's not dot, so let's say this, as this is a magnitude, we can directly separate this, and here we are going to have the dot product between this vector and this vector. Okay, so it will give the result of cos theta. From that we can directly find that. So over here we can, the actual way is we can directly find A dot B and write it over here. After that we can find the magnitude and directly write it over here, and we can find that. However, here I'm going to write a little bit further, because the final formula is you can use it directly to find the theta from this one. So here we can write this as it's going to give the unit vector of the A vector. So that's the main point. It's going to give the unit vector of this A vector. So it's denoting a unit vector, the triangle sign over there. So into B unit vector. Actually we knew that if we divide a vector by its magnitude, it's going to give its unit vector. So the point over here is we can directly use this unit vector dot products between these two. If you use the dot product directly, we are going to get the cos theta. Actually these two are the same, however you can also use this formula. That's why I have written over here. So if I use this cos theta is equals to A unit vector into B unit vector, I'm going to find what the unit vector of this. We can directly write this one, 1, 2, 8, and I need to find the square of these three numbers and we need to add it up, and after that we need to find the root of that. So it's going to be 1, 4, 64, 64, 4, 68, 69. Likewise, I'm going to find the unit vector of this B vector. If I do so, I'm going to get 4, 9, 1, 5, 9, 40. So it's going to return 40 into 2, 3, minus 1. So now I have found this one. So I'm going to use the dot product between these two vectors. After that, we can directly find the value for cos theta. I hope this would be easy, so you can easily continue this. So in the next video, we are going to discuss an interesting, little bit difficult question. So please watch that too. Thank you.